Let's solve this linear equation using the substitution method. I've already gone ahead and named our first equation here equation 1 and equation 2. Let's isolate for x in equation 1. X plus y equals minus 2. That means x equals minus 2 minus y. With this, let's plug it back into equation 2. X minus y equals 6, but instead of x, let's use minus 2 minus y equals 6. Now we can solve for y since the entire equation is only in terms of y. Minus 2 minus 1 again is another minus 2y equals 6. Minus 2y equals, let's bring the minus 2 over, 6 plus 2, which means minus 2 equals 8. And now we just need to isolate for y by dividing both sides of the equation by minus 2. Therefore, y equals minus 4. Now that we have a value for y, we can plug that back into equation 1 and solve for x. X plus y equals minus 2. But instead of y, let's use minus 4. X minus 4 equals minus 2. Therefore, x equals, bring over the minus 4 to give you minus 2 plus 4, x equals 2.